Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT and welcome back to another crypto video. So today we are doing something different. I am going to be doing an analysis on Ethereum. I have actually just seen something quite good on the daily chart for Ethereum. I feel like it's about to break out. It's looking quite bullish. Basically, Ethereum's formed a double bottom pattern, and then so as soon as it reaches the top of this double bottom pattern on the daily, it is going to pump. So let's just start with the 45-minute chart. So this is what we're on now. Basically, we are in this ascending sort of channel pattern slash wedge pattern. So basically, it's forming the same sort of pattern as Bitcoin and XRP, which I've just filmed a video about, which I posted tonight. This will be coming out tomorrow. But basically, we've formed this ascending wedge pattern. So we've obviously come into this ascending wedge, we've pumped up towards the upside, retested resistance here at $1,170. We've obviously come down, retested support here of about $1,080, and we've obviously come up, come down, and then obviously traded sideways, and then come up, down, and then up and retested the resistance of $1,280. So basically, what we've now done is basically we've retested this, got rejected, come back down to support here of around $1,200 for Ethereum. But I do feel like the next sort of target for Ethereum is basically the next sort of target is around $1,300. But my sort of prediction for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, sorry, is around. So if we look at the daily very quickly, no, let's not do that. Actually, we'll go through the charts first, and then we'll end on the daily, just to keep you waiting until the end of the video. I'm being sneaky there, but basically, if you want to carry on watching, watch until the end, and you'll see on the daily chart there is quite a bullish pattern forming. And as soon as it reaches the top of that, of the resistance, basically the top of the neckline of the double bottom pattern, then we should be pumping towards the upside. But wait until the end, and I will show you what I mean by that. So basically, in the meantime, I do feel like Ethereum should be coming up and sort of coming up around this area here. Obviously, I can't predict exactly where, but we've obviously come up, come down, come up, come down. So we could be coming up to around $1,300. But obviously, that means that we do also break through this resistance level here of $1,285, and then we should be coming up to around $1,300. That's in the short term. Obviously, on the 45-minute, as you can see, we've formed like a bullish flag pattern. So if we look at this here, we've formed this sort of flag pattern here. So if we obviously do break towards the upside potential will be this green candle here. So if we do break towards the upside, that means that we basically come up and retest this resistance level here of $1,280, and hopefully breaking through to get up to that target there of around 1,300. And then obviously by that point, I do feel like that we probably would be getting rejected here like we have done in the past, and then coming back down to around this level here of around $1,230 again. And then the next sort of target after that would be around, obviously I need to adjust this. So we come back, come up, come down, and then obviously come all the way back up again, and then obviously come up to around 1,350. But I do feel like things will be different, because obviously on the daily chart it shows something different, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Obviously we have ticked bearish on the RSI down here, so obviously we are coming to the bottom of this bullish flag pattern here on the 45-minute chart. But I'm hoping that we do obviously just trade sideways, well, sort of at an incline, and keep this bullish flag pattern, then hopefully break towards the upside to retest this resistance level here of $1,280. If we head towards the hourly chart, as you can see, we are in the same sort of pattern here, and we are still in this bullish flag pattern. Obviously, if we do break to the downside, we'll be coming back down to retest around $1,200. But I'm hoping that things are looking quite bullish at the moment, and we obviously do break towards the upside, and we do see some a price increase for Ethereum, basically. Yeah, so obviously we are getting some more volume here on the 1 hourly chart, and we obviously have just bounced off the RSI here, so we are still obviously going to be pumping towards the upside ever so slightly, but it's the same sort of pattern. We're in an ascending wedge pattern. It's the same sort of thing. So basically, when you're in like a ascending wedge pattern, you form quite a strong support and quite a strong resistance on the way up. So that's why we come up, retest, come back down to support, come up, retest, come back down to support, and then obviously it just carries on going until we either break towards the upside or we break towards the downside and come back down to support of around $1,070. Obviously, the main thing that we want to sort of look out for is we don't obviously want to be dropping below $923 because obviously that could be quite crucial for Ethereum. Obviously, because this is the last sort of strongest resistance that it's got. But if we head towards the 4-hourly, as you will see, as the higher the time frame we go, the more accurate your charts will be, and if you see any patterns, obviously it's more bullish basically. So obviously we are just coming up, come down, come up, come down. So we should be coming up fairly soon, I should hope, basically. But this is the 4-hour chart. Obviously we have decrease in volume, but obviously I mean, we could be ticking bullish at some point, but I should only see us coming back down to retest this resistance level here of $1,200 before we continue towards the upside. So basically, I would like to show you the daily chart. If we look to the daily chart, as you can see, so obviously this is our little ascending wedge pattern here, but that's not what I'm looking at. So what I'm looking at is this here. So obviously this is the top of our double bottom, and this is our bottom of our double bottom, and basically obviously we've come down, come up, come down, come up. So this is basically our neckline here. So this is the neckline across here, and basically we've formed a double bottom. So obviously it's a W pattern, and then as soon as we get to this resistance level here of $1,280, if we break towards the upside, basically we should be getting this green candle here, which I've already sort of drawn. So if we obviously break towards the upside of this double bottom pattern on the daily chart for Ethereum, we should be coming up to retest around $1,560. Yeah, around $1,600 is our target for Ethereum. As you can see on the daily, we are gaining some nice volume here. It's just a steady increase in volume, and I do feel like the next sort of candle would be where we would sort of break out. So I should hope by tomorrow Ethereum could be breaking up towards the upside. Obviously it all depends on what Bitcoin does as well, but obviously this is a bullish pattern here. So this is the neckline, and we basically come down, come up, come down, come up. So basically we've created a double bottom pattern, and as soon as we break above this neckline here, then we should be breaking towards the upside. So I would suggest that we would probably be coming up to around $1,600 for Ethereum, which would be quite nice to see. Let's see what that is in percentage wise. So yeah, let's do that. So if we do this, and that should be a 19% increase, around a 20% increase in price for Ethereum. If we do break out of this neckline here, of this double bottom pattern, then we should be coming up for, oh, let's have a look at the MACD as well. So the MACD could be coming up and ticking bullish as well. So this could be quite big for Ethereum. Obviously this is a bullish pattern as well for Ethereum. So I would like to see a break towards the upside by tomorrow or Sunday. Hopefully this is a nice green weekend for crypto. Obviously if we break out of this ascending wedge pattern as well, then we will be coming back down, and we would basically this double bottom pattern will not be happening anymore. But for me, I am quite bullish on Ethereum, and I do feel like we should be breaking towards the upside. So I do feel like we could be coming up to $1,600 over this weekend, which would be quite nice to see. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you slap a like on it, please, and make sure you subscribe if you are watching the video, or if you watch all my videos but you're not subscribed. It does help if you do click that button. I know I might nag you about it, but it helps me, and it helps me be able to create more videos for you guys and more entertainment, and just create more content basically, because I would like to get to that point where I would be able to just create more videos for you guys on a daily basis throughout the day. If I can get to that point, that would be absolutely amazing. But all you've got to do is just slap that like button and slap that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. But I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully this pattern plans out. I'm hoping it does. But we shall see. I'll do another update on it on Sunday to see what's happened. But yeah, we'll go from there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.